All right. I guess we're already at episode 2 of my Zen meditation. So I got a notification today that said I got a new patch update for the car. I don't know what happened, but it's only been a few days and there's a new patch. And as you saw, this here is in French. And I have no idea why, because now the OS is in English and my app is in English, my user account is in English. I don't know why, but I am in Quebec, which is a majoritarily French-speaking province, as you can tell by my accent. And because of that, I think they may name the patch if they are localizing it for some reason, and that may be why. So important update. Install time 15 minutes. All right, so as last time, you cannot drive, you cannot turn it on. Even the doors may not work right. So, yeah. So, Zen meditation right there. So, this is what I do when the kids are asleep. And I clean the house a bit. And I'm getting ready now for camping season. It got super warm outside. We got rain all day. It was 13 Celsius outside today at peak. So very nice. My snow hill over there is melting, which means pretty soon we're gonna have the opportunity of getting the travel trailer from storage. Now all the projects are starting. So yeah, can't wait for it. I'll do some range test also, uh, just like I did when I made tests in the winter with very cold temperature, and I'll try charging. And what else? I do have to. Interesting. It automatically turned on the parking brake right now, which was not off. It just, for some reason. Yeah. So yeah, I was saying that my travel trailer, I got it used. It's in excellent condition. I'll show you around, and I do have to change the jack to have an electric one because I want to be able to quickly unpin my trailer in case I do need to emergency charge it at the fast charger and there's no pull through, or I'm gonna be blocking someone with the trailer while I try and charge. So this is my first major upgrade that I need, uh, along with some upgrade to plumbing to get filtered water. Yeah, so yep, just chilling right there. Oh, fun thing, something different. The park brake light turned off. So that's odd. I didn't hear the park brake get removed though. There's usually some kind of that I can hear, like clamps that are clamping on the wheels or something. So the I didn't hear that. So it may be still on, just the light is off. Oh yeah, so if you're here and you're chilling around with me, I have some questions for you. I'd like to know, do you think I should install a dash cam in the truck? Oh, oh la la. And now power is 0, apparently. That's odd. Since my battery is empty. 1 minute left. See, as I said, I like watching progress bars, and seeing this here at 0, for some reason, this is not making me zen. It kind of is making me a little bit nervous. I'm like, will the update like break something with the battery? What's happening, man? I know it probably won't. Probably is just going through a power cycle or something, and it's normal. But yeah, yeah. Just wait. Be patient. Let's hope everything is good. Oh, be right back. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's super windy right now. Oh, range and kilometer also disappeared. Something's going on. Very curious to know what that is. Yeah, it's super windy right now. The truck rocked a little bit because of the wind. Yeah, well, there's a. This reminds me of a comic I saw from XKCD, which is super geeky comic. And as you can guess, I am quite geeky. And it was about the time estimate for file copy dialog in Windows. And if you've ever copy pasted large files in Windows, you know that the time estimate is absolute bonkers and means absolutely nothing. So the comic is about the guy who's in his car and he's calling his friend, telling him, "Oh, I, uh, I'm about to get to your house. I should be there in about 30 minutes. No, wait. Actually, there's lots of traffic. Should be there in 2 hours. Oh, wait, no, I'm just turning around the corner. Should be there in 18 seconds." So we figure out that probably the guy who coded the thing is the super confused one about time left. Yeah, still 0% battery and no kilometer range. Weird stuff. It's funny that there's the light button here, and this is for the exterior light. I can put it on auto, turn them on, turn the I-beams. So this is still working while the software is updating. But this is not working. So weird. All right. I'm gonna chill around a little bit and I'll get back to you when something new happens. Oh, something is happening. I can hear some kind of actuators or something. They may be for the AC or something inside. Really weird stuff. It's like valves or, you know, when you turn on the air conditioning in the cabin, there's stuff that moves and turns on and off. Oh, we got the parking brake light back on. Something different. Oop, that's it. Oh, parking brake light off again. And by the way, when I mentioned that there's some kind of humming and I can hear the clamp from the parking brake, this was not it. This was different. It feels like it really was just the AC. I don't know if you can hear it from my microphone. And I want to apologize for the sound quality. My microphone is a Bluetooth test. I got it for $40. I think it's better than the phone one, but not that much. So yeah, still not much. Couple of as you can see, parking brake light on and off and on and off. It's still at 0 minute. So this is the longest 0 minute I've ever lived. Strange stuff. So yeah, I did a short about this just before I started this video. And last patch from the vehicle, I was trying to figure out what was new. And I couldn't find anything except a weird feeling. I was like, there's something that changed in this display. And I think what changed is the font for the speed numbers and the percent of power. It feels like a different font. Like this is a bit more thin and rounded. It wasn't like that. I think I should probably check older videos. I probably have archives of it, and it's really hard to show though because except the 0 for speed, you need to be driving to view something different. And filming while driving is a super dumb idea, especially if you're like me and you're holding right now your phone with your hand. You shouldn't do that. So I won't do it. But yeah, I don't know if it's a fake news, but yeah, it looks like the font for numbers changed for some reason. And let me tell you, that's not critical for an update for me. I don't know why they would push a patch for that, except if they figured, let's test doing an OTA. Oh, something's happening. This is coming back. Interesting. As you can see, I'm gaining kilometers of range. And it's still at 0, by the way. 0 minute left. Nothing changed on the right screen. Oh, park brake is back. Yeah. This is the nice kind of progress bar, you know? Keep rising, man. Why not? Go at like 1,200 kilometers, like enormous range that doesn't exist. That's odd. I think it wasn't at 487. Oh, update complete. Vehicle will turn off automatically in a few moments. Successful. Interesting. So looks like that's it. I don't know if we'll get patch notes or something. It said when I got the notification on my phone that there was an update, that I would get the patch notes from the vehicle. So can't wait for that. There was a weird glitch right there. Like the screen, there was some kind of lines and flickering or something on the right. And now the front beams are on. Let's try turning on the vehicle. And then off. Okay. Successfully installed. Vehicle off. Make sure my audio volume is completely muted because I've been surprised while filming before. And let's look at updates. Updates. Important update. See, this one is in English. I don't get it. Oh, interesting. Keeps getting better. Oh, I like this. This one is a real patch note. Let's look again. Yeah, this one is like nothing's really happening. This one is real nice. Okay. Improve accuracy of service message for high voltage charging system. Yeah, that may be the glitches that I was getting. There may be more information. When the car wouldn't charge, just said maintenance for high voltage charging system. Now there may be more details. Reduce drain on 12-volt battery. That may be just optimization and stuff that turns off more readily in the vehicle. Oh, something bad is happening. Let me change to my phone. Just a moment. All right. So my wife got home, and since sorry about that. As I was saying, my wife was coming back, and since she drives very often the truck, and I don't want her to have to fiddle around and change the phone input, I put her phone as the main one. So whenever she gets near the truck, it automatically connects to hers. All right. Improve performance of charging. That's vague. Would like to know more. Improve performance of wireless communication of the lithium-ion battery status. That may be just for the remote app or something. Performance of cabin heating and windshield defrosting system. Interesting. That may be the heat pump valve update that should have been only available at the dealer. They may have done it OTA for some reason. Don't know. Huh. All right. So this is it. Thanks for sticking around. I'm going to take a picture of this and also post it on my channel. So, all right. See you guys around.